Plus family, welcome back to Cooking with the Coach. Today we're going to be making veggie burgers.
Okay guys, so for this recipe you'll need some chickpeas, 1 tin of dough, a baked sweet potato, 1 scallion or a green onion, salt, pepper, cumin and garlic powder, tablespoon of ketchup and soy sauce, and some corn flour. You're going to microwave the chickpeas for 1 minute to make it soft. Add it into a bowl with the sweet potato and then you will mash until it's a good consistency. Once it resembles this, then you're going to add all the spices and the scallions or green onion, and then the tomato ketchup and the soy. Then you're going to mix this up thoroughly. Then you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of corn flour just to make it thick enough. So get a bowl of water if you need to, wet your hands a little bit, and then you're going to make a ball, and then you're going to make almost like a burger patty. If you need to, put it in the fridge for about 10 minutes just to harden up a little bit. At this point, you could actually just freeze them if you want to batch cook it later. So in a pan, add about a tablespoon of olive oil, and then you're going to fry these in a pan. Turn over, even if they do look a bit burnt, they're still good, and then you're going to cook for about 10-15 minutes. You can plate this however you want. I just like a lot of tomatoes and salad on my burger, and I used lettuce instead of a burger bun, so you could go for the healthy option if you want to.
If you make it, please tag us, take some photos, let us know what you think. Enjoy.